Hi, everyone. If you have a Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra and you want your always-on display to only show up when you get a new notification, let me show you how to do it step by step. First, unlock your phone and go to the settings. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. This is where you can control how your lock screen and always-on display behave. Next, tap on always on display. Here, make sure the switch at the top is turned on. If it's off, the feature won't work at all, so be sure it's active. Now, scroll down a little and you'll see an option called When to Show. Tap on that. By default, it might be set to always or tap to show, but we want it to only appear when there's a new notification. So go ahead and select for new notifications. This setting is great because it saves battery and keeps your screen off most of the time, but the moment you get a message, a missed call, or an alert from any app, your AOD will automatically appear and let you know without even touching the phone. And that's it. Super quick and easy. Now your phone is smarter and more efficient, and you won't miss any important notifications again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.